traditional Hangi recipe. Ingredients: meats, lamb cuts e.g. shoulder, leg, chicken pieces. Vegetables: kumara sweet potatoes, peeled and cut into chunks. Potatoes, peeled and cut into chunks. Carrots, peeled and sliced. Pumpkin, peeled and cut into chunks. Other ingredients: whole onions, peeled. Garlic cloves, peeled. Seasoning: salt, pepper, herbs. Equipment: earth oven hang-a-pit, rocks. Wood for heating, sacks or cloth for covering. Instructions: prepare a hang-a-pit. Dig a pit in the ground approximately 1 meter deep and wide. Place large, flat stones in the bottom of the pit. Build the fire. Start a fire in the pit using wood. Let it burn until you have a good amount of hot embers and ashes. Prepare the food. Seasoned meats with salt, pepper, and herbs. Wrap the meats and vegetables in large cabbage or banana leaves, creating separate parcels for each type of food. Layering in the hang-a-pit, place wrapped parcels on top of the hot stones in the pit. Add a layer of cloth or sacks soaked in water to create steam. Covering the hangi covers food with more cloth or sacks. Quickly cover the entire pit with soil, ensuring no steam escapes. Cooking time: allow food to cook in the earth oven for approximately 2 to 4 hours, depending on the size of the pit and the amount of food. Unearthing the hangi, carefully iron the soil covering and then cover the parcels. Take out the hot rocks and reveal the perfectly steamed and cooked food. Serving: unwrapped parcels and arrange the meats and vegetables on a serving platter. Enjoy the hangi. Serve with hangi with traditional accompaniments like a side of ruena bread or a simple salad.